Oh yeah, my Yeti coffee mug. Rice the wife made. I'm Puerto Rican. I love rice. So, say you want to work on your Ryobi battery. Yes, I got Ryobi. Got a weed whacker that really uses it. I like Ryobi. I got all types of tools, all brands. Say you want to work on your Ryobi battery. It has a security set. And this is a Torx T15. It's called. Uh-oh. Does it go in there? Nope. It's not the T15. It is the T10. Does it go in there? Oh, perfect. There's nothing wrong with this battery. Just demonstration purposes. Oh, hold on, I got a thumb. Pivots. So the battery's out. Now we're going to put it back. We're going to get it in there tight. Frank's hot sauce. Put it on everything. Oh, it's in there tight. So this thing, man, it's a little expensive. Came out to $55 because I had to order it. My local store keep on saying, will be in stock soon. That was over a year now, or about a year. So I ended up buying it. $55.10 with shipping and handling. Cost like $41. 44, sorry. Later, y'all.